Hello guys, you are watching Java Coding YouTube channel. If you are not subscribed means go and subscribe this channel and beat the bell icon. In this video I will tell you how to print the Hello World program and then how to initialize the values, and then that's it. So if you know, I am using this Eclipse Java IDE. If you are not installed if you are not installed Eclipse means, then I will give you links in description. Go and install the Eclipse. Okay, then now I will go to. Okay guys, we will go to know how to print Java, how to print Hello World program. Now public class hello world. See guys, here I am using public. Public is it is a access modifier, and then it is class name. Class name is hello world. This is package Java. If you are using Java ID, Eclipse ID means you have to use package Java. So that's why I have used package. Package name is Java. So then public static void main string box. See guys, this is access modifier, and then this is sorry, this is static keyword, this is return type, this is method, okay. This is the main method total. Wait, this is the main method. Okay guys, now let's see. We will print hello world. Hello world. See guys, this is used for printing. Okay, if you want to print anything means you have to use this one. Okay guys, now we will see what's the output here. See guys, here hello world is printed. So if you want to print anything means you have to write the main class, and then you have to write the main method. Here I have given public class name is hello world, and main method here I have given hello world. So that's why it's printed hello world. Okay, now let's check another word. I will give Java coding. See guys, now it will print Java coding. See, it's printed now. So if you want to print anything means you have to write whatever you want in this. Okay, let's try another one. What's we print? It's a big word. Okay, now we can see what's the output. It's a big word. It's printed. So if you, finally we got the point is whatever if you want to print means we have to give that word in the double quotes only. Okay, now see here, it's a big word. It will give you error because we have not initialized the word. See here, it given error because we have not given any initialization. So that's why it will print error only. If we given in double quotes, see, wait. If you given double quotes means then it will print what it will be there in double quotes. Okay, it's printed. It's a big word. Okay guys, now I will tell you how to initialize the values. Okay, now let's see. I want to initialize the value 67 and 57. Okay, see here, int a equals to 67. I have initialized the value 67. Now I want to print that value. Okay, see here. You want to give, if you want to print any value means you have to initialize the value in the inside the method, and then you have to give what you have given here. Okay, I have given here a, so I will give here only a, then it will print 67. Okay, see guys, 67 it's printed. Now I will here, wait, it is 67. 67 means it is integer na, so that's why I given int. Okay, this is the method. First of all, we have to give whatever we are giving means. Here I am giving 67, so it is integer, and I have to initialize the value. So I given a here. Now I will print what string. Okay guys, string yes equals to something hello. We have to give that string values in double quotes only. Okay, if you are giving integer values, then no need to give double quotes. Here I am giving string, right? So we have to give in double quotes only. So I have given here double quotes. So I have given initialization s. So I will give here only s. Now we will so sorry. Here we have to give semicolon. Here also. Now we will see the output. Yeah, we got the output. The output is hello. So this is the basics, and then today I have taught that how to print the hello world and another words. I said how to print that words and that, and also I taught how to initialize the values. Wait, I will tell you character also. Character char ch equals to if you are giving character means, then you have to use single quotes only. See here, I have given character a only, so here I have given ch. Ch is used for initialization. Okay, here I will give ch. Then you can see here what's the output. Yeah, oh sorry, I forgot to mention the semicolon. Yeah, we will see now. Yeah, we got a. A is the output. Okay guys, you have seen the you have learned that how to print the program, how to print the hello world and another words and strings also, and also you have learned that how to initialize that integer, string, character. That's it. Tomorrow I will tell you about that some addition, subtraction, division, and then multiplication. How to multiplication, how to division, how to that, and that one I will tell you tomorrow. Okay guys, now it's okay. Thank you for watching.